Hi, fifth graders. Today you're going to begin your work with the immune system. So in Schoology, you have gone to your science course and you've clicked on the immune system. Before we can start our work with the immune system, I want you to become familiar with all of the systems that work together to make our body function. So you are already in Tuesday, May 15th. What I'd like for you to do in Tuesday, in this folder, is I'd like for you to first click on this checkup so that you can read what questions are going to be answered. So this is going to set your purpose for watching the video. After you read the questions, don't answer them yet. After you read the questions, go back to your Schoology course and then watch the video. You'll watch the video. As you're watching the video, if you find the answer to a question and you want to press pause, and you can go over and answer your quiz question. Or you can watch all of the video and then go back and answer the question. All right, so today your mission is to learn about what are the body systems that make up our body and help us function every day. So please preview the quiz, watch the video, then answer the quiz. Have a good day.